Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's short and very helpful tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Word as an app on your Windows PC or laptop, completely free and without using any crack or license key. If you've ever wanted to open Microsoft Word quickly, just like a normal desktop application, without installing the full Microsoft Office package, then this method is exactly what you need. So take your time, relax, and follow along step by step. Let's begin by opening our web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Also, make sure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version so everything on your screen looks similar to what I'm showing. Once Chrome opens, go to the Microsoft Word online page by typing word.new directly in the address bar. After the page loads, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. I'm already signed in, but if you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can create one for free in just a few seconds. Once you sign in, the Microsoft Word online interface will appear on your screen. Now, normally, when installing a website as an application on your computer, the install icon appears automatically on the right side of the browser's address bar. If you see that icon, you can simply click it to install Microsoft Word immediately. But if you don't see the install icon, don't worry at all. There's another easy way to do it. Now look at the top right corner of Google Chrome. You should see the three vertical dots, which open the Chrome menu. Click on those three dots, and a full menu will appear. From here, scroll down slowly until you find the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. Hover your mouse over that option, and a side menu will appear. Inside that menu, you will see Install Page as App, or sometimes it may display Install Microsoft Word. Now simply click on it. As soon as you click it, Chrome will display a small pop-up asking if you want to install this page as an application. So now I'll click Install. And just like that, congratulations! You have successfully installed Microsoft Word Online as an app on your Windows computer. The great thing about this method is that Word now opens in its own clean window, just like a normal desktop application, without opening the full browser. Let's close everything for a moment and take a look at the shortcut. If we check the desktop, you'll now see the Microsoft Word icon created automatically. You can double-click it anytime to open Word instantly. Let's open it again. And there it is, a clean Microsoft Word interface running as its own application window. Fast to launch and very convenient to use. The UI looks very similar to the full Microsoft Word experience. You'll see the ribbon at the top with all the familiar tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, and Review. The document area is spacious and distraction-free, perfect for typing, editing, or formatting your work. And the quick access toolbar at the top left corner lets you save, undo, or redo with just one click. Everything feels like a real desktop app, but it's lightweight and easy to access anytime. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Word as a free app on your Windows PC or laptop, without downloading Microsoft Office and without using any crack. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, Windows tips, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.